Yes, boys and girls, welcome back to the tube. Today is POV, you're an online coach. It's not really POV because you're there and I'm here. If it was POV, you'd be on this awesome thing which I've just bought, which is a neck tripod. Take a look at this. I'll put the footage on top of this video so you can see the crack, but you basically stick your phone on here and then you've literally got a POV. That is bloody awesome. Kind of look like a bit of a weirdo, but the footage is cool. Anyway, life of a POV, life of an online coach, POV, whatever. Got a few hours working this morning, just waiting on Leo to finish up his trim, and then we're off for his final session before, I think it's his final session, before he competes on Saturday. So I'll be doing a little up session. I'll take you through it a little bit, maybe just show you a bit of footage. So yeah, just waiting on Leo. I've got a few hours in this morning uploading the pod, the Lifted Lifestyle pod, which will be coming out on Friday, and also uploading it onto Spotify, making a thumbnail or making it good. Here's a little preview for you. A preview thumb. I never really know with thumbnails, like, does that look good? Does that make you want to click it? I don't know. So yeah, I've been doing all that stuff and then kind of doing the daily actions, Instagram posts, all of the posts, social stuff that kind of you need to do, but is not boring, but it's just a daily task. So yeah, 20 minutes work block here. I'm actually working on this. You might be able to see it. This is the lifestyle lab. Well, that's what we call it anyway. Inside of the coaching, and basically this is where we like house all the education stuff, so people get a login. Welcome back, Harry. And then there's sort of education on training, recovery, nutrition, mindset, all that stuff. So I've just been trying to bulk that out and also make it look nice, because I really want it to look like an app on your phone. Obviously this is on the laptop, so it looks a little bit different, but let me show you it on here. So yeah, this is, I don't know if that's going to focus. I'm going to face out. This is how the Lifestyle Lab is now looking on the phone. So it kind of looks like an app, which is quite cool. And then there's all these educational things in here. That's what I was doing this morning, getting all the thumbnails sorted. It's really like mundane tasks that don't really mean anything, but in the long term, hopefully add up to something awesome. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. See you in the gym. Right boys, as you can tell, we're in for upper today. The tunage is a little bit loud, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but in for upper today, because I'm not training on Saturday, so I've kind of merged my push and pull session together. So lateral raise, 2 presses, then we're on to the back work, then spamming some arms to finish. Probably one of my favourite sessions of the week, normally anyway, when it's a push session, but I do like a good old upper. That's pretty wild. I've got the setting on that set to be loading it in the end range, so loading in that stretch position. I still fail in the short, like I've got so much more left in the lengthen, so that's probably a tip for everyone. It might not apply to everyone, but probably does to most people. A lot of the time you'll be able to get out of that stretch position, so consider throughout the set trying to make it harder there. Putting little pauses in there, which I'll probably do next week on this. Little split-second pause, maybe 2-second pause in the hole, should make that final rep a little bit more evenly hard throughout the whole thing. Maybe. We'll see you next week. Hey, yo, wagwan. This is me at 92 kilos, which is the lightest I've been in literally 5 years. Can't wet. So yeah, I'll put some clips over the top of this. Feeling generally decent. Last 2 days, the first few days where I actually felt really hungry. But generally, feel pretty good. Gonna cook, keep pulling down to about 9 kilos. And then hopefully I'll be pretty lean by then. I'm kind of lean now, but could be a little bit leaner. That's the story of every single person's diet ever. Right then boys, back from the old gymnasium. It was actually a really good session, which is surprising because I felt like ass this morning, and I was, even though we trained it like a little bit later, yeah, I was just feeling ropes, and I thought I'd look whack as well because dropped a decent bit of weight overnight, and I dropped weight the day before. So usually when that happens, I look really flat. But today was a different story. I actually looked decent. So happy days. On some more worky poo, and gonna get some scran because I am starving. Okay, this is meal numero dos going in. Eggs on toast with beans. Hyper optimal, mate. We've also got some banana bread that I made yesterday. And the largest cup of tea that I could possibly make in a massive bowl. Oh, and of course, not forgetting, possibly the key essential to growing muscle, losing body fat, and looking awesome, brown sauce. Can't miss it, mate. So yeah, gonna scran this. I am so hungry. And actually a slight change of plan. I'm gonna go play tennis in about half an hour. So it's gonna be a late one today from a work perspective, because I'm obviously going to play tennis, but hey ho. Let's dig in. Also, I forgot to say, Leo is currently doing daily vloggage, going into his show day on Saturday. Today is Thursday, so you've got 2 days left. I'll try and get this up today, to be fair, if I can get time to edit it tonight, but that is what I'm currently watching. So get on Leo's tube if you're not already. Right, time for a smidge of tennis. I think I'm going to do about half an hour, 45 minutes with Holly. I'm going to absolutely smoke her. Maybe, we'll see. Alright guys, we're back where we first started. I've just come back from tennis, which was pretty fun to be fair. Roxy wants a treat. Oh no. See if we can get Roxy on camera. Roxy, here, get it. Get it, Rox. Up. There she is. Yeah, back to where we first started, and tennis was good, and I'm not gonna lie, it's now 5 o'clock, and I'm probably just gonna be dialing in for the next 5 hours. So I can't imagine it's gonna be that interesting. So I'll leave the video there. Absolutely negative educational value, but hopefully you enjoyed it anyway. Another cuppa, decaf this time. Let's get freaking dialed. See you in the next one.